This is a potential breakdown setup for VSTO, Vista Outdoor Incorporation, a company of the leisure and consumer cyclical sector. Really what we got this primary trend line here based off the 2020 December bottom of the gap here, plenty and continuous reactionary lows to help validate that, alongside a symmetrical triangle with plenty and continuous reactionary highs to help validate that. And really what we did is we put in a divergent high here. We had negative and bearish divergences really constructed on all three indicators, and never looked back with a beautiful 17% correction. Consolidated, had another drop here, 19%. Tried to burn out that divergence, but only extended and put in a marginal new high, larger divergence, and that was good for a 38% crash there. And really what's so significant about the charts here is we've never burned out the divergences. These divergences on all three indicators, bearish and negative, continue to establish and construct really on all three indicators. And here we are in a key inflection point, in my opinion, with the MACD and oscillator really testing its zero lines here. Oscillator already crossing over, starting to really retest that zero line. And if we snap this primary trend line off the December 2020 bottom of the gap, call it a crack below that 35.59 price support, you will put in a solid, if we put in a solid daily candle red close, that in my opinion will spell for a sell signal. In my opinion, we've already got the 50-day moving average completely punctured over the 200-day moving average. Again, there's nothing else that spells out for more anything more bearish than a chart like this in a key inflection point. That's what you want, but we have to wait for that solid break. That's what it's all about, being patient and waiting the break. Now if you're bullish, hey, set some stops below here. And if you think there's going to be a breakout with Vista Outdoor, and you think the fundamental really some of the fundamental catalysts is good for Vista Outdoors, and maybe some of the firearm companies, you think there's going to be a breakout here, hey, set some stops below. And you know, something like this could definitely be explosive with a lot of short selling, you know, starting to pick up. And that's really what you want to see, is a set some stops here and a breakout above if you're bullish. But I will patiently wait back for a break of that 35.59. And what was other great development here off the monthly interval? Zoomed out here on the monthly, each candle representing a month, is we put in this beautiful bearish engulfing pattern, which really exceeds all 8 candles in the previous 8 months, almost for a whole year here. Beautiful bearish engulfing pattern, followed by a 3 black crow, definitely not the most well-defined 3 black crow continuation bearish pattern, but that's exactly what that is right there. So bearish engulfing pattern, small 3 black crow, higher probability of a correction, and we'll see how it plays out. Definitely a bigger drop down to that potential 50 monthly moving average for a 42% crash is potentially in the cards. But at the same time, what we got to do is wait for the solid break here. Nothing's definitive yet until we start to crack these key levels, these key inflection points. Then it'll be time to scale in. Hit that like and subscribe button.